The State Forestry Department has denied that the Sungai Rek waterfall in Kuala Krai was murky and looked like tarik due to illegal logging activities. Its director Abdul Khalim Abu Samah said investigations by the department showed that the incident occurred due to heavy rains which hit the area recently. He said the team was deployed to the scene to investigate the issue after pictures of murky waterfall went viral on social media on June 1st. Abdul Khalim said 2 companies were given licenses to carry out forest development projects on the state government land under Mukim Pahi.